this. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Guys, that is town. Let me just try to zoom a little bit. That is town. It's a little bit far from here. Yeah, and this is the rest of the place. This is where I am. I don't know what is the name of the highway, and then there are buildings there. I don't know what is that. You see? And that is where I just came from. So I won't be going this direction. I don't want to go to town. I will go this way because I was told there is a supermarket here, and then from there I will try to go back to where I am staying, because see, the clouds is forming. So in the next 1 hour or so, this one will fall down and it will be a big rain. Yeah, so this side of the city is clean, you know. And of course that is me, that's my background. I found such a very nice spot here. So they have like underground roads that goes to the city. That's the way to the city. And they have this, it's kind of like, I don't know. So it comes all the way, like you can see, very beautiful here. And this is the other side. The roads here are very, very beautiful, and I've seen like tourists there, or maybe they stay around here, I don't know. Yeah. So we'll keep going this way. This is like a bridge. So beautiful here. I'm loving it. I've seen this is Mzimba Street. Let me just, I'll zoom a little bit. At least now I can read, you know, the names of the streets. You see from the other side, those cars are going underground and they will come through here. So, and this is, yeah, these are the cars coming from underground. Yeah. I'm loving this already. At least I am, you know, in the another side of Lilongwe, you know. I haven't seen this so far since I started this video. Sorry, the voice, the noise is so loud, of course. So this is Mzimba Street 2B. Crossroad. I was in Crossroad yesterday. Yeah, and this is the bridge here that connects we are under the bridge now. Yep. So we keep going. I believe there is like supermarkets around here. There, I can see there. Yep. Let me give you the view from this other side. So, yeah, so this is the road. Mzimba Street, Area 6. So beautiful. And it's so quiet because it's on a weekend. So let me just show you from this other side. So this is a petrol station, you know. I'm loving it. It's so quiet here. Someone was following me, so I was like, oh my God, what will happen? And I was alone in the bridge. But I haven't had anything so far, honestly. No one has actually disturbed me, you see. As I was saying, no one has actually disturbed me at all. You know, it's very safe. And people are nice, actually. It's just that there is a language barrier. Most of the people, they don't speak, you know, English. They speak their language. Chechewa or Chechwa or something like that. Chechewa. Yeah. Let me just show you where I just came from. So I just came from there. See how clean the road is. Super clean, beautiful. Infrastructure here. Oh, so beautiful. So this is the bank. Botswana. I'll go to Botswana. I'm in Malawi, Mozambique, Zambia, Zimbabwe. I am alone in this street. No one is following me, no one is in front of me. So, but the people are from the other side, they are people. So sometimes I don't want to be by myself on the main road where no one is there. At least I want to see some people, you know. Yeah, I just want to finish. If I finish this corner without seeing any supermarkets, man, I don't know what I will do. I will cry. It's already so far. You know, something that is surprising me is that I've not seen any bus, like intercity buses or, you know, nice buses here. I've not seen, the only buses I've seen are the buses that connect other cities, big cities or countries. Like for example, I've seen a bus, I think it was going to Tanzania. You know, buses like goes outside the city, but within the city I haven't seen really like nice. Like we have been walking through this road, I haven't seen not even one single bus here in Lilongwe, like a nice bus that goes that passes this beautiful street. These are only personal vehicles. If you happen to see, you know, only, you know, personal vehicles, no like passenger buses or, you know, mini buses, something like that. So I am here, I don't know where I'm going. This is there is this road that is going there. All the shops are closed, you know, there is nothing open. There is that road, and I don't know where now to go from here. This is very interesting. Should I just go this way? Because I've seen some fruit somewhere there. Maybe I will pass by there and eat something, because this is interesting. But this here is beautiful. I love it. There is a supermarket called Chipiku supermarket. It's the other side. You can see that building. I don't know if you can see. This one is blocking. It's around there. That building, the white building. So I'm not going that side because it's really far. I'm not going there. So I've decided to take this route. Let me see what is happening on this other side, because I think I'm going to town. I don't know. I might as well get a motorbike or something, you know. Let's see. So long as it's somewhere people are, it's busy, I have no problem with that. But the roads are still nice. Shops are closed. Nothing is opened. Very interesting. Yep, and this is me. This is my bag. This has been my body since. This is. I'm sweating. I've removed my jacket because it's drizzling a little bit. It's cold, but of course I've been walking, so I get tired. Yeah, so that's my background. Yep. So there is that area. I just came from here, and I've seen the supermarket is just a few meters from here. So I am on the right track. So even if it rains, I can shelter there. So let's hurry up and see what is happening there. I don't want this rain to find me in the middle of nowhere. No way, no way. Nothing is open here. Everything is closed. Like, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? See that? Everything is closed. It's not even a mall. Like, what? I think I need to take a motorbike. See this one, like all the shops are closed, nothing is operating. No. It's crazy. It's because it's on a Sunday. That's why all the shops are not working, you know. And it's a very big shopping center. Wow. I've seen the signpost here, Dr. Saulo's close, Chilima Highway. Could this be Chilima Highway? I don't know. I haven't asked anyone, and let me show you the other side. That's how it looks like. That's the shopping center I was showing you. It's not open at all. The roads are actually nice. See the roads? Yeah, and it's drizzling right now, so there is possibility, you know, there will be rain in a few. Guys, I'm seated somewhere outside. This is Malawi. I'm in a supermarket called Chipiku, or it's an area called Chipiku here. And this is how this area looks like. And I came to eat because they have food in the, so it's a supermarket, so they have food. And let me show you what I bought. So this is potato and eggplant, very tasty, and then go slow salad. Okay, and how much is it? You know, let me show you the receipt. This is 6,913, which is like, I just calculated that it's almost like $3, which is actually okay. The food is really tasty, very, very nice. And you can buy and then you sit. These are the kinds of chairs you can sit. So this is, I'm sitting in one of those. So you just buy and sit outside and eat. this area is really quiet as well. So this is how it looks like. I don't know what is happening here. So yeah, so that's how it is. The roads are nice, very clean. Or maybe because it was raining, and also it's very clean. They clean this place. See that? You see? Protect. This is what? Protect, promote, and investigate human rights violation. Okay. HB House of Paul Kagame Road. Okay. It's so beautiful here. Super clean. You know? Guys, I had to stop this, it's called tuk-tuk, to take me to the other side because it's really super far. So this is where I am. Yeah. Guys, just within 2 seconds the petrol finished, and I had to come out of that tuk-tuk thing. So I'm footing again, you know, because there is no petrol. Interesting, but at least you know he has pushed me a little bit, because that there it was really so far. So at least he has you know, given me a little bit of lift. Yeah. So this is the environment, so beautiful. I don't know what is there. You see, this is how it looks like. So guys, I think this is the end of this video. I've just found myself in the city hall where I was, I think, yesterday. Yeah, so I just came from there. Yeah, so I'm heading back home, and thank God the rain did not really come. So yeah, thank you guys. I decided to come and eat fries. I cannot leave Malawi Lilongwe before I try their fries. So I came to this place. I was here yesterday or before yesterday, yeah, this roundabout. So guys, I found this at least this restaurant. It's Albeik. I know Albeik, yeah. So this is what I have ordered: fries and, you know, chicken wrap. Very nice. And of course, this, when I'm in Africa, I can't miss to drink Fanta orange. Yeah. So this is my lunch. So tasty. See that? Guys, unfortunately, it has rained while I am here. So I have no option but to just go with the rain. I've been waiting for some time now. It's been raining, but before it really increases, yeah. So guys, I was saying I've been waiting for this rain to finish. Unfortunately, this rain found me here. Yeah, so I have my hat here. That's my background. I just ate in Albeik chicken wrap, which was very good. I really liked it. It's so nice with Fanta orange, of course. So I'm going to try and look for the Nissan bus to go to my place. It's not far from here. And let's see. And I believe, yeah, see you in the next one. As you can see, I just came, that is City Hall. And this is the other side to town. And then of course we'll be going that way. Yeah, I need to, my phone is really like, it's raining. So I just came from there. This is called Alliance Mall. And it's closed. No business is going on right now. All right.